start talking about the Aqueous Essential Wash Kit. I'm just going to open it up so you can see what's inside it. Doesn't come with a kit, unfortunately, or fortunately. So, in each kit that you get, you'll receive what we call our monster mitt. Very handy, very easy to use. Got your soft side and your more stubborn side for the harsh to get areas, especially on the wheels. We've got our tyre shine sponge, which we've Aqueous guard on the top there. Everything that requires a trigger, comes with a trigger. That is the sponge gone due to the wind. Amazing. And then we have our products that are within the kit. And in this kit we have got, I'll open it up and show you. He says. Retake. So we have Renovate, which is for the interior. As you can see, it's unbelievably windy today, like standing in the middle of a hurricane. We have Bubble Blast for the exterior, which is the shampoo. We have our wheel wash, as it says on the tin, wheel wash. We have Silk, which is the last stage of protection, and we have our Revitalise, which is our tyre shop. Finally, to go, oh, you've come off. I know you're still there. Finally, to go with the kit, we also have provided a couple of Microfiber Cloths. One blue, one grey. This is mainly for the silk product. One is used to apply onto the surface, one is used to buff off again. So yeah, that's the contents of the kit. So first off, we'll start with the Bubble Blast, which is our pH neutral premium shampoo, and that is why we also have the handy monster mitt to go with it. This you're looking to use anything from sort of 15 to 20 ml per wash. So out of a 150 ml bottle, I reckon you're going to be looking to get anything from sort of 6 to 8 cars as an average. Reason we designed this like we have, it's got a very nice smell. It's nice and foamy when you use it, and we've actually specifically designed it to work well with our ceramic coatings as well. So it's good on non-coated cars. It's especially good on the ceramic coated cars as well. It also comes with a nice handy flip cap lid. So rather than having to just pour it out, you can sort of squeeze it out, not waste any as such when you're using it. So that's product one that we'd recommend you use. Product two is our wheel wash. Now all the products that require a trigger spray, they'll come with a lid on just in case of leaks in the packaging. So we put the lid on to be sure, and then you have your trigger spray to come with it. It is as simple as taking the lid off, putting the trigger spray on, push that on, and then there's a little tiny clip there that you just push around to open it up. Then you'll give it a couple of test sprays, and that's that working. With this, 2 to 3 times around the car, so sort of 2 or 3 washes you get out of it on the 4 wheels. Depending on how badly contaminated your wheels are, you're going to obviously use more if they're very badly contaminated. You're going to use a lot less if the contamination is nice and light. So that's your wheel wash. Next up is your Revitalise. This is your tyre shine. With that, we've got thank you. We've got your tyre sponge. Again, a nice handy flip cap, and you would just, I'll show you. You will just squeeze an amount onto there, nice and easy, no wastage. With this, the finish you're looking for is all depending on how much you use. If you want a nice sort of sateen finish, then we're going to use just 1 coat. Nice and simple. If you want to get that sort of high gloss finish to your tyre, then you're going to use 2 or 3 coats, just layer it up basically, and that will change the finish depending on what you like. So that's your Revitalise tyre shine. Thank you. Next up is the interior side of things. Now this is our Renovate dashboard cleaner. It's got a nice coconut smell when you're using it, which is quite nice when you're sat inside the car trying to apply it. It'll give, I'd say, more of a satin finish, but it gives like that clean look to your interior. It's not a cleaner as such. It's more for your light side of things. So light contamination, you'll get rid of that, and it'll give you, like I say, a nice clean look to your interior. And then finally we have our Silk. Oh, again with this, sorry, trigger spray comes with it. Just put that on before you apply it. And then Silk, same thing, trigger spray, lid. This is like a last stage protection kind of coating. It's not a ceramic, we call it a ceramic enhancement spray. The reason for that is it was initially designed to go over the top of the ceramic coating. A lot of people wanted to feel a really slippery finish, and when you look at some of our other videos you'll understand a bit more about how our ceramics work compared to some other people. So this gives a nice slick feel to the surface, a bit of a shine as well, as there's that kind of finished look. And what it will do is it'll give a very hydrophobic surface, so it'll give you that easy clean finish, the hydrophobic effects of the beading. And yeah, we're looking from this, you're looking to get anything from 3 months up to sort of 6 months, if not more, once it's applied. It all comes down to how you look after it once it is applied. If you wash your car once every 3 months and you put this on, it will last that 3 months and you just reapply. It goes a very long way, literally a couple of sprays onto a cloth. And when I say a couple of sprays, I'll show you how little. So put 3 spray in. I've got that working. So with the cloth, obviously fairly big cloth, we always recommend you fold it to get as much use out of the cloth as possible. And all you're looking to do, I'm not going to do it on this, this is a dirty car, it's not clean, another story behind that. It's just 3 sprays on the cloth, nothing major, and then it will be a case of you will buff it into the surface, and you can see this from our video of the silk coating. You'll buff it into the surface, you'll see it going on, and what you'll notice is the surface will become slippery as you're buffing it in. And what we tend to recommend is either using the same cloth or another cloth, same thing, make sure you fold it to get as much use as you can out of the cloth. You will then just do a gentle buff over that surface that you've applied it to, and you'll see a nice, smooth, crystal clear finish on the surface, but it'll feel unbelievably slippery. And you'll notice when it rains or when you wash it next time, you'll get like this very high beading effect. And then as I've said, because of the way it's designed, as of when you start to lose the beading effect or the shine or the easy clean properties of it, just reapply, clean your car, reapply again, and there you go. And that's the kind of essentials to our wash kit.